Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick here at StockMarketMentor.com, and it's Monday, December 29th, and we're looking at oil. Why? Well, because it's going lower. It's been going lower for a while. You look at the weekly chart. This puppy looks like, well, I don't know, let's say $9. I mean, this thing looks about as dead can be. Looks like it's going to zero. Well, when I see that, I tend to start wanting to look at stuff that is going to be overdone. That's really what we want to look at here. It's too early really to be buying with any kind of confidence to be buying oil stocks, energy companies, because, and I want you to think about this. Look, they can't come out with a new like I oil, or that is I, the letter I, oil. It was supposed to be a joke. Okay, they can't come out with that. They do oil, dude. They're like Jed Clampett, okay? Bubble and crude, that's what they do. And so if the cost of bubble and crude continues to go lower, then their profits are going to go down, their costs are going to go up, because when you're making something and you can't get as much for it as you used to, then you're definitely not going to be making more of it. But with that said, we also know that the market does start anticipating events before they occur. So you want to start looking at some stocks for essentially a prediction, forecasting the bottom in oil. We're not seeing it yet, but one of the stocks that I'm looking at is ConocoPhillips. Okay? Now, weekly chart. This looks about as ugly can be, right? Lower highs here, lower lows. We've got a bottom here, though, double bottom. I would say it like 62-ish, 63-ish. Big, massive dump here. But here's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at a couple things here. First of all, on this move up, look at the volume. This was really, really big volume. Compare this volume to this volume on this last big move up. Okay? This means something, okay? This, not so good. Although, even buying here, you just didn't make a whole boatload of money, but the stock did continue to move higher. But here, okay, again, look at the volume. Big volume here. Now, this stock is just trickling sideways. A little bit of a pennant pattern here. So, what my suggestion is, you look to see how this stock trades once it breaks out to here. I'll give you a level. Well, we'll say 71. Watch and see how. Set your alert at $71. I know I'll set mine, and I'll ask Gary to set an alert for members when this alert's triggered. And we're going to monitor this for a maximum. If it doesn't do it in a week or so, then it's probably not going to do it. So you want to set an alert for about $71. And if this stock starts trading above that level, you're probably going to see continued move higher. The important thing is this volume, big volume relative to this last one, and some consolidation here. So watch for that on ConocoPhillips. Now, members, watch tonight's strategy session. I don't care if you're not trading tomorrow. It would be impossible for me to care less what you're doing tomorrow. But watch tonight's strategy session, particularly the first half. Do you know why? You can thank me in about 10 years, because what I'm doing, what I'm hammering on tonight is the thing that's going to keep you in the game. What is it? I'm not going to tell you, because I'm going to make you go over there and watch it.